Good afternoon, everyone. Now, I am Yogendra Narayan Chaube. I will teach you computer science. Now, this is the cover page of your book. You can have this book from the market. Now, our topic is Python. Now, we will going to discuss all about Python. First point is Python is an object-oriented programming language. This is developed by Guido van Rossum in February 1991. First thing is Python is an object-oriented programming language. What does it mean with object-oriented programming language? There are some features. Any programming language which can support these features are called object-oriented programming language. We will discuss on in next lecture. Second point is developed by Guido van Rossum in February 1991. Third point is Python is influenced by ABC programming language and Modula 3 programming language. The concept of Python is taken from the two programming language. First one is ABC programming language. Second one is Modula 3 programming language. ABC is the replacement of basic programming language. There is a programming language called basic. ABC programming language is the successor of basic programming language. Now, Python can be used for, what is the usage of Python? Python can be used for web developments, both server side and client side, software developments, and Python can be used to manage big data files or database management system, and it is also used in system scripting and machine learning. In machine learning, the Python can be used. Next topic is why to use Python. Now, why to use Python? What are the pluses or advantage of Python that can differentiate between from the other programming language? First one is easy to use. First advantage is easy to use. Second one is expressive language. Third one is platform independent or cross platform language. Fifth one is free and open source. Next point is variety of usage. Variety of usage like scripting, web application. This is game development. This is game development. This is game development. Can be used in game development, rapid prototyping, GUI programs, database application, and etc. Now, the first feature of Python is easy to use. First feature is easy to use. How can you say that this is easy to use? It is easy to use because this is an object-oriented programming language. This is an object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language. That's why we can say this. It is easy to use, and the syntax of Python are very simple to write, like English language. The syntax is very simple. That's why we can say that easy to use. Next feature is our next feature is expressive language. Expressive language. How can you say that Python is expressive language? Because first thing is simple syntax. Two feature that makes it expressive language. First one is simple syntax, and second one is less line of code, less lines of code. For write any program, no need to write more lines of code like other programming language. You can write very short of and less line of code and your program will be finished. First one is simple syntax. Next one is, third point is platform independent or cross platform. Platform independent, that means you can run Python on any platform like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, on any operating system. You can run Python on any platform like Windows, Linux, and Android, iOS, Mac operating system, etc. etc. And fourth topic is, this is free and open source. This is free and open source language. What does it mean, free and open source? If there is no cost programming language, you can use Python without paying any cost. This is cost free, that's why it is called free programming language. And what does it mean, the word open source? In this provides source code. This provides source code for the user. That's why it is called free and open source. Next point is variety of usage or application. Next is variety of usage. That means it can be used in scripting, web application, game development, GUI programs, database applications. That means you can use Python in many application development and many other web services. That's why it is called an complete object-oriented programming language. So this is all about, we have done the concept of Python programming language, why to use Python, and what is Python. In next class we are going to discuss about some Python -s and how to install the Python. Next, in the last, we are going to discuss about home assignment. First question is, what are the features of object-oriented programming language? Only write the name of the feature. You have to find out, search what are the features which can make any programming language an object-oriented programming language. Second question is, what is the difference between interpreter and compiler? Because Python is interpreted language, it is working on the interpreter, not on the compiler. That's why you should know what is the difference between interpreter and compiler. Third question is, the name Python has been taken from. Python language का नाम Python कैसे लिया गया है? From where the Python name can be taken from? There are 3 questions for home assignment. Now if any doubt you can ask in doubt session. So thank you for watching. We will meet in next lecture.